has. I mean, mainly because we're driving.
But we don't drive, period.
Yeah, well, we only drive once a week, and we drive
to
in the
Mariano.
city. Yeah, in the city, and it's like what, 35, 45 at most. So I've gotten used to those velocities, like Grandpa in a bowl, right? So now I'm going at 70 miles per hour, and everybody's going at 70 miles per hour, and I'm kind of uneasy.
Where's this guy going? Let's go eat.
It's been 10 years since
10
we've had
years.
home-sliced pizza.
Damn, that's a long time.
Yeah.
And of course,
Shiner Bach.
it's hot as hell.
Yeah.
Well, coming from Chicago. All right, so what did we get?
We got the classic
Margarita
pizza. And then they also had like meatball and tomato.
Yeah.
That's a perfect combination for me.
Yeah, pepperoni.
Yeah, we got a pepperoni, because you know, you can't go wrong with pepperoni. And lastly, we got a white pie that has spinach.
And ricotta, I think.
Yeah, it looks delicious. I'm gonna dig in with the margarita first.
It's good. Then I have the white pizza. It's very simple. It just has like ricotta cheese and then the spinach, and maybe olive oils and garlic, of course.
Classic pepperoni.
Slightly sweet.
Really? Probably from the tomato sauce.
From the sauce, but I like it a lot.
And how's the pepperoni? Is it like
Pepperoni is slightly salty, so it's like sweet and salty combination. It's really good.
All right. There's the meatball.
Good stuff.
Yeah, I like how it has like little bits of tomato.
So which one was your favorite?
Meatball.
Meatball?
Yeah, meatball.
Mine was the spinach. So
Meatball
good.
because it was a nice combination of cheese and tomato. And you guys know I like my pizza saucy. So that was kind of like the sauciest one.
Yeah.
And the meatballs were really good. They were just really tasty overall.
Yeah. Now we're gonna have some ice cream.
How's your butterscotch?
It's good. I don't take the alcohol. Supposed to have bourbon?
I think so. Well, hello.
Hi.
So we're at the Austin Motel here in downtown Austin on South Congress Avenue, and we're gonna give you a room tour. So we're at the entrance, and one of the unique things right away as soon as coming into the room is kind of like the tile. There's like no rug. It's kind of like a honeycomb tile shape, which is pretty cool. I really like the bed and the frame. It looks like kind of vinyl or 40s, kind of, you know, pleatherish. Well, this one's really cool because at the end of the long desk, it's got a little kink in it, and you can put your like luggage and backpacks on there. And they have a cabinet. It's a big ass cabinet. Let's see if there's a big ass Bible in there. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
All right, let's see. I'm hoping for a Bible. Nope.
Nope.
Blank.
Forget the cabin. Look at the phone.
Oh, it's an old school phone. Oh, it looks like one of them presidential phones where like, there's like an emergency or, you know, call Batman or something. Maybe they use that phone to call Batman or Commissioner Gordon. My memory's not too sharp, so I don't remember. And they got that really nice, cool, retro, modern mini fridge.
Open it. See what it looks like. I actually like that brand. Empty. We need to get some beer. What do you think of the wallpaper?
Yeah, it's wallpaper.
So, is it wallpaper? It's gotta be. Oh, I'm not using that.
You know, look.
Well, maybe we should.
Yeah. And then,
Bam.
standard sink, and it's really bright in here. The best part is it's right on South Congress, so you have access to a lot of shops and restaurants. So that's gonna be really cool when you take a walk, look at some of that stuff, see some of the neon lights. Can't complain. I think I like the hotel. It's nice. So how much did we get in a night?
I think we got it for like $100, but it's usually a little more, like maybe 200.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Retro's in Austin.
I don't know if I pay $200 for a hotel room like this.
I don't think so, but I think it's the location.
Yeah, $100 is not bad.
Because it's right on South Congress, and you can go drink, get effed up drunk, and then come here.
Yeah.
You know.
Don't drink and drive, kids. Do not drink and drive.
Oh, and they have a really nice pool area, and then they have a restaurant right next to it, and a little shop.
Yeah, we'll show it to you. Bathroom samurai.
That's right. So much for saying that we weren't gonna use these.
I mean, I've never actually used the bathrobes in the hotel rooms we go to.
What?
So this is actually my first time wearing a bathrobe, and I feel like a samurai. Is that how you guys feel when you wear bathrobes? Feel like bathrobe? No, actually, bathroom samurais? Let me know in the comments down below.
I think that's just you, man.
Oh, that's just me?
Yeah.
Oh, well.
Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you like the tour of this room. We'll show you outside, what looks outside in a minute.
Yeah, in a minute.